Through the strategic acquisition of VeloCloud Networks, VMware enhanced its software-based networking portfolio with industry-leading cloud-delivered SD-WAN. An integral part of a virtual cloud architecture, VMware SD-WAN by VeloCloud is pivotal in delivering pervasive network connectivity coupled with the optimized delivery of cloud applications and data across distributed enterprises. In 2018, Gartner recognized VMware as a global leader in WAN edge infrastructure. Modern enterprise networks often span distributed branch offices across a variety of hubs. These isolated locations create networking challenges that VMware partners are solving. With large enterprise application adoption across SaaS and other cloud-based solutions, SD-WAN implementations are on the rise. As companies seek to assure their resiliency and business continuity while supporting emerging initiatives such as cloud, end-user computing, and IoT, SD-WAN is the new network foundation on which VMware partners can capitalize. Leveraging VMware SD-WAN by VeloCloud, VMware partners are perfectly positioned to grow alongside the demand by augmenting their existing network services, shortening deployment timeframes with simplified installations, and layering services on the new SD-WAN offering with new and current customers. Customers and partners prefer VMware SD-WAN by VeloCloud. Not only is it simple to deploy and manage, but it's vendor agnostic, which means it works in any environment. Software-defined and cloud-based, this new industry-leading network architecture is highly scalable, resilient, flexible, and the perfect solution offering for new and current customers. Are you ready to start selling quickly and exponentially grow your cloud-as-a-service offerings? Whether you're a new or current VMware partner, you can gain access to everything you need by joining VMware's VeloCloud Partner Program and start selling today.